I'm Brittany.
And I'm Drew.
And for the past 5 years, we've been exploring the world by van. Subscribe, and we look forward to sharing where this unpredictable adventure takes us all. Good morning, guys. I've been up for quite a few hours now, editing away over here. And Drew...
Hello.
Looking so studious. And look what we got here. Beautiful blue skies. Which means it's a perfect day for a run. Except it's also pretty chilly out there. So we've been trying to nuzzle up and wait till the sun warms up the world.
We're sitting down in a ravine and we can watch the sun coming down the mountain on the trees, and it's almost here. But our batteries are charged because we had electricity last night.
Yeah, we've been having some issues with our batteries kind of dying on us.
We can't sit for multiple days or even a whole day with the demand of our electric fridge, our heater running, just some of the other electronics that we're charging. So one of the things we definitely realized that should have been done differently is where I located the battery bank. Our solar and our batteries just haven't been staying charged throughout the night, even when we're driving, charging with the alternator. And as it gets darker, sooner in the evenings, we just aren't getting all that power that we once were throughout the summer and the long daylight hours through the solar. So our battery bank is back here, and I just had them tested at AutoZone. They're gonna honor the warranty, and I can replace these two 92 amp hour AGM gel batteries we have. Woohoo! I got everything disconnected now, and I'm gonna try to get these batteries out. Wish me luck. One down. Oh, glorious. They're both out of here. Oh, yikes. There they are. We're gonna replace these bad boys out. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright. Seems good. We'll just be happy when we can kick on our heater in the middle of the night and we don't run out of power tonight.
So, getting to plug in and hang out at a campground has been quite luxurious. It's the first one we've been at in a very long time, which also means that we have an unlimited water supply, which is rare. So, after our run, we're going to enjoy an indoor van shower. Whee! Get excited, especially if you're new to our channel, because our little van shower in a drawer is pretty magical. 9-minute warning! We said at 9:30, we hit the trail.
9 minutes.
9 minutes later. Look at my sweet husband.
Slaving away.
You're the best van bed maker.
How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is real. Babe, I'm trying to heal.
It's much colder out than I anticipated.
Come on, you got this. Ready for this?
Circle trail, 3-mile loop.
We are here.
There we go. All the way around.
I wanna run with you, run away, just run away and leave this world behind us.
I just want to point this out really quick. Welcome to New Mexico's highest elevation state park. Dang. The next bit of the trail is 2.2 miles, and it's considered difficult due to the significant elevation gain of over 1,000 feet in 1 mile.
Let's do this.
I wanna run with you, run away.
Good news.
Good news.
This is the top of the trail.
Ah, thank goodness.
9,440.
Wow, that's the elevation. Holy cow.
Whoa.
You kept a nice pace. Good job.
Thanks.
That elevation really kicked my butt.
I was thinking about this on the trail. I think one of the best and hardest things about having your home and environment be constantly changing is that we don't have a routine running trail to go on, which means that we end up on trails like this that kick our butts and send us 1,000 feet up in elevation in a mile. But it's also very exciting. It definitely motivates us to get up in the morning and out on the trail, because we never know when or if we'll ever be back here again. It's like go and put a fist in the air and onwards.
Which way?
I don't care. I just say onwards into the screen and
Onwards.
onwards.
Reaching out for something that is so real. Oh, I'm trying to heal.
I'm glad that's over.
Yeah.
And now it's shower time.
Home. Let's get clean and get to work.
And while I got prepared to shower, Drew decided to pump out a few of these guys. All right, indoor van shower in a drawer. Time to work your magic. Our little quick connect shower hose goes in right under here. There we go, and I love how easily this turns on and off. 0 water wasted. And our handy extendable PVC pipe DIY shower curtain ring thing fits into these little golden hooks, just like so. Oh yeah. And if you guys saw our original DIY van shower in a drawer video, which we'll link to right up here, then you'll remember that our little utility tub that has been repurposed into our shower has a hose drain that goes right out to the bottom of our van, and you can definitely see some Burning Man dust down in there.
I'm gonna place this bucket right underneath where it drains out. That way we can capture all the gray water that drains from the shower. Bucket in place, check.
All right, let's close that door and make it nice and steamy in here. Luckily, before we left for our run, Drew turned on our water heater, and here we're turning on our S-bar heater so we could be nice and toasty when we got out. Our tiny home just got tinier. I also want to point out that we do not have magnets or anchors in the bottom of our shower curtain, and it has never once been a problem for us. Because it's so long, it all just kind of tucks down into the corner of the utility tub.
How's that feel?
It's nice to have, like, not the cold breeze blowing on me right now.
Shower in a drawer.
Success.
Magical.
We had been using our outdoor shower literally all summer, so we had forgotten how incredible our indoor shower was. Until now. Showering inside our van is one of my favorite things.
Nice, simple drying procedure.
And back to the drawer you go. Magical little shower.
See you next time.
Thanks, babes.
This is the least fun one.
I know. Off to a brand new office, one we've never been to, yeah?
Oh yeah.
That always makes things exciting. So exciting that Rodney's gonna give you a special dance. No two dances of Rodney's are ever the same. The light! Ah! This is our version of a briefcase. Oh, it's like we're in a beautiful living room. Some of today's tasks include thanking our new amazing patron and uploading potentially one of our most favorite episodes of all time. Along with uploading, I was also editing another episode while filming the one you're watching now. And Drew over here was busy using points to buy our free flights to Hawaii. Get excited!
Closing time.
Thank you. Yeah, thanks, man. Let's do this.
Paper dosa.
Dosas.
The best Indian in Santa Fe.
I'm craving something hearty. As I have a fresh cup of closing time coffee that the guy was gonna throw out. Nice and hot. My hands are full. I can't turn off the camera.
All right, gotcha.
What do you want to show me, babe?
The menu. Does anybody else do this before they go to a restaurant? I think I figured it out. We're gonna do the paper dosa and the mushroom medley Uttapam. Super grateful for our showers today because now we're going on a date and I'm having a good hair day. I don't get to do that very often.
I just put a hat on.
You look beautiful.
Thanks, babe.
You're a handsome cowboy. We're here. We're parking. Where there's Indian food, there is joy. Oh man, that is the paper dosa.
Wow. Lentil and rice batter.
Awesome.
Yep, lentil and rice flour. I'm gluten free, so this is whoa. We dipped our dosa and devoured the entire thing until it was gone. Next, we dug into dessert, which was a delicious passionfruit custard with tapioca pudding on top. Whoa, the tapioca is warm. That night, we couldn't help but be grateful that this evening's work was such a treat. Yep, that's right. This was tonight's office. Sharing some photos of tonight's feast.
Look at that adventurous cowboy.
Look at that giant dosa.
So scrumptious.
Thank you so much, Paper Dosa, for having us because it made our work an absolute treat today. Oh, our audio just didn't make the cut here, guys. But basically, we're saying
Thank you, Paper Dosa, for such a great, delicious night.
and thank you all for joining us for a random day of running, showering, working.
And well, just life.
We appreciate you all, and before you go, don't forget to gently tap that like
Subscribe and hit that bell.
so you don't miss next week's episode of
Mr. and Mrs. Adventure. Until next time,
Love,
an adventure
always.
always. See ya.